What recent changes in our industry have you noticed that have caused you to rethink your business strategy? Dovell?
I have to agree with all of that. And I know I'm not going to go and say anything about normals. So I
Thank
don't
you.
want to see Paul shoot himself. But it is what's going on. And it's this work from home, it's the remote access. So many of these companies and their IT people were able to go and secure their network, secure their computers because it was somewhat behind their own firewalls and they had control over it. Now, with this big rush of getting everybody remote access, cybersecurity kind of went out the windows, and you don't know what computers people are using. You know, their kids are on their computers. What other websites have they gone to? What viruses have they picked up? And IT in the departments and the companies can't control that anymore. So our big thing, of course, is still to get that secure authentication. So that's what we're able to do is push that out. And since it only takes about a half an hour to get our system up and running, almost anybody can do it. So it's not some big cumbersome task to put this in place. I think another thing, of course, is going on is we're constantly seeing all of the cyber attacks hit the news. There was a recent report. Now, it varies on the size of the company, but the average cost to a company now for a security cyber breach is $8 million per incident. And it is so large, and that companies are going bankrupt and out of business because of somebody who had the number one password still is 123456, and that's their passwords to everything, and the social engineering attack. So these are the attacks that people are beginning to see and understand. So cybersecurity is finally getting to the forefront, and that's kind of the big thing that we're seeing change.